Some really bad news for the 250 West point leader Joe Shimoda. Well, if you've been watching the practices, you saw him, I don't know, go off track favoring his hand and coming from Racer X saying breaking news, quote, breaking news after Joe Shimoda left the second 250 SX Group A qualifying session earlier, favoring his left wrist. Honda HRC Progressive confirmed an injury to the 250 SX West Championship leader. Our boots on the ground man Aaron Hansel spoke with Honda HRC personnel in the pits who confirmed Shimoda leader suffered two broken fingers in his left clutch hand after hitting a pit board. Well, that sucks. I mean, what a good start to the year for him. I mean, if you break two fingers in your clutch hand, it's obviously, hopefully, it's the pinky and the ring finger. I mean, not that that's going to be not gonna be great, but most of these guys aren't using those fingers uh, to pull in the clutch. It's just going to be super painful. It's going to make his night very long, very hard, and any contact with that is going to just absolutely destroy him. Sucks. I mean, what a great start to the year for him. What a, get that win, look incredible, capitalize on the Deegan problems, and then in qualifying you hit a pit board. Like what a stupid thing to happen. What a like one of those freak things, freak accidents. And I guess it could have been worse. It could have been a wrist or something like that, but fingers are not going to be very fun to deal with. Hopefully, knock on wood, he's fine and can actually race, and apparently he's going to try, but we'll see how this goes. We'll see how he finishes, and I don't know. Sucks. I guess you guys tell me, what do you think happens for the rest of the year now? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.